Ohm's law. V is equal to the IR. Suppose current 0.3 is flowing from 2 ohm resistance. Then V is equal to the 0.3 plus 2 is equal to the 0.6 volt. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Summation of voltage at a closed loop is equal to 0. Suppose this is a loop 5 volt. Then summation of volts means it is -2 plus taken as a positive, plus 2 minus taken as a negative, plus 2 minus taken as a negative. Then V minus I1 R1 I1 R2 is equal to 0. So V1 is equal to the I1 R1 I1 R2. So 5 is equal to the I1 R1 I1 R2. If R is equal to the 0.5 ohm, R2 is equal to 2 ohm, then I1 can be calculated. So 5 is equal to the I1 0.5, I1 0.2, 0.7 I1. I1 is equal to the 5 divided by 0.7, 7.14 ampere. Now Kirchhoff's current law. At this node, summation of incoming current is equal to outgoing current. If I1 is a 2 ampere, I2 is a 0.3 ampere, then I3 can be calculated. So summation of I incoming, summation of I outgoing. Summation of I incoming means I1, I2, 2 plus 0.3. Summation of outgoing 2.3 ampere. Thank you.